Chase Inc. Business Cash as Surprising explained what you get for your money. For businesses that want to earn cash back on common business expenses, the Chase Inc. Business Cash Card is an excellent option. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for small spending, but with the right strategy, it can generate hundredthing rewards each year. The card has no annual fee and offers 5% cash back on the first, zero spent annually at office supply stores and on internet, cable and phone services. It also earns 2% on gas and restaurants, and 1% on all other purchases. For companies with steady office and utility expenses, this can add up quickly. There's also a welcome bonus for new cardholders, typically worth a few $100s after meeting a minimum spend. Additional perks include purchase protection, extended warranty coverage, and fraud monitoring. Most businesses don't realize how much value they can get from these protections if high-cost items are purchased regularly. In conclusion, the Chase Inc. Business Cash as a Card is ideal for companies wanting targeted cash back on key business expenses without paying an annual fee. Its combination of category bonuses, simple cash back rewards and practical protections makes it a highly efficient and low-risk tool for business spending.